Consequences of not registering an FIR by the police on a due complaint, especially of the offences which are cognizable in nature. Section 166 of IPC very clearly provides for a remedy. So, whoever the public servant disobeys it can be understood as to register a complaint which will cause an injury to the victim. And 166A, whoever refuses the public servant, in this case the police, who refuses to record a statement or to conduct an investigation, can be imprisoned for a tenure of 1 year, for a period of 1 year, and with fine. So now registration of FIR based on the due complaint by the victim or by the relative of the victim is a mandate by law. The people who have been deprived by the executive by not registering the due police complaint can always take shelter under this IPC section 166 and 166A, which is already in force and available to us. So whenever a crime takes place, we must understand that it is not an attack against the victim, whether be it an acid attack or be it a rape or be it a murder, any cognizable offense. It is not just an attack on the victim or the relatives. The state sees it as an attack against the state. So therefore it becomes the primary duty of the police to register the police complaint, make an FIR, and then make way for a fair investigation in accordance with the law in force. So there have been widespread complaints that people, when they go to the police station, they are made to wait hours together, days together, and the complaint is not taken at all due to the excesses of the executive, including the factor of corruption, influence, etc. So now that people have to understand that there is a remedy, because the executive, who is a public servant, they are meant to serve the people in accordance with the law. So law has provided for registration of an FIR. It must be registered. So the people should also demand, when the rights are curtailed, they must demand for the rights. So when these two-way things happen, whenever there is a refusal and whenever there is a right, so the person affected must demand. So in this way, the reformation of the police can take place, the society can be strengthened. So friends, now there are information that there may be an amendment to the law that will give effect, that police will be, in fact, whoever refuses to register an FIR on a due complaint will be imprisoned for 2 years and with fine. So this is a welcome step. Let's hope for the quick implementation of the same. So till then, let us also not forget that we already have a remedy in IPC which can be utilized.